Imagine stepping outside and feeling like the sun is pressing down on you with a weight of 50 kilos or more. You prevent it so hot that walking barefoot would give you second degree burns. Sounds extreme, right? But this is becoming reality in many parts of the world. Heat waves aren't just uncomfortable, they are dangerous. And the scary part is they are getting worse. Do you remember the summer 4 seasons ago, year 2022? Look at this. That year it was so hot in India that it broke the 222 years world record. Imagine this, it's June 2015 in Karachi, Pakistan. Temperature hit 47 degree, but the humidity it feel like 60 degree. Over 1200 people, mostly the poor sleeping on rooftop, die in just 10 days from heat stroke and dehydration. Fast forward to 2024, Karachi again at 47 degree, claiming at least 447 official lives through the real troll is hidden in heat failure and organ shutdown. Right now, as we speak in 2026, the urban region just logged into its hottest ever with spotted 50%. Heat waves aren't freak event; they are here, burning our lives. Stick around as we unpack the temperature are skyrocketing, who is hitting the hardest, and what we must do before it's too late. So first, let's break it down. What exactly is heat wave? A heat wave is when temperature soars way above the average temperature of a region over several days. Not just a hot day, the kind that makes you crave ice cream, but a prolonged period of extreme heat that strains our body, cities, and ecosystem. Fun fact: the term heat wave does not just mean it's sunny, it's actually a temperature significantly higher than normal, sometimes paired with high humidity, which means it feel even hotter. Even hair of this feel like temperature that's humidity doing its dirty work. Here is the alarming part: our planet is heating up. The past decade has been the hottest on record. In fact, the last 10 years were the warmest in over 140 years of record. 2016, 2019, 2020, 2023 all ranked among the hottest years globally. Locally, countries like Pakistan and India are seeing temperature rise faster than global average. For example, Karachi recently hit a record-breaking 50 degrees centigrade in 2022, and cities are feeling it worse thanks to something called the urban heat island effect. Basically, contract and the heat, so city streets can be 5 to 10 degrees centigrade more nearly heated. Imagine this is a blazing day. So why are these heat waves? There is no single villain. It's a mix of climate change, urbanization, and environmental negligence. Climate change, greenhouse gases trap heat in our atmosphere, literally turning up the planet's temperature. Deforestation, tree cool the air. Losing them means less natural air conditioner. Urbanization, contract jungles retain heat so we can maintain earlier. Pollution, particles in the air can alter weather patterns, sometimes melting ice. You might think ice melt is just about the falls, but it changes global wind and ocean pattern, making heat waves worse in some region. It's like a problem on the top of each other, and the stake is getting higher every year. Heat waves are not just uncomfortable, they are deadly. Extreme heat can lead to heat stroke, dehydration, and worsen heart and respiratory condition. Children and elder are more vulnerable. Here is the statistic that might shock you. Heat wave cause more deaths annually than hurricanes, tornadoes, or flood combined in some regions. And mental fatigue, yeah, it's real. High heat affects concentration, mood, and decision making. So if you feel cranky on a hot day, blame it on the weather. Farmers are feeling the heat too, literally. Prolonged heat wave cause failed crops, reduce yield, and strain water reservation for irrigation. These lead to higher food prices, long-term economic stress on farmers, and even food shortage. For example, in 2022, parts of India and Pakistan saw wheat and rice crops lose up to 40% of their yield due to the extreme heat. That is not just number, it's mean that families order affect. This is climate change hitting our planet. And cities, oh, they are feeling the burn. Power grids gets overloaded from air conditioning demands, water scarcity hits harder, roads soften, and even traffic accident rise become can under extreme weather. Public health system are stretched, hospitals filled up with heat-related cases, and everyone feels it, even those lucky enough to have AC. Even wonder why city summers feel unbearable compared to your hometown. It's the combined effect: heat waves and urban heat island teamed up. Here is the harsh truth: heat waves hit the poor hardest. Communities without access to air conditioning, clean water, our healthcare faces the burn. Outdoor workers in constructions, factories, and farm risk heat stroke daily. Meanwhile, whether countries and individuals can adapt to technology and resources. It's not just a climate issue; it's a social justice issue. The heat discrimination and the vulnerable pay the price. Even wonder what actually causes these heat stroke on the scientific level. Just jet streams, the ships can trap hot air over a region, high pressure zone. They prevent clouds and rain hitting the sun, block the land. The ocean temperature, warm oceans heat the air above. Let's look at some extreme example. Europe 2023 saw temperatures soaring at 45 to 47 degrees centigrade. Pakistan in 2015 and 2022 had Karachi reaching deadly highs above 50 centigrade. California wildfires are directly linked to heat waves. The Middle East deserts are hitting unpredictable temperature year after year. These aren't abnormalities, these are the new normal if we don't act now. So what you can do personally to survive the heat: stay hydrated, drink plenty of water even if you are not thirsty, avoid direct sunlight peaking hours, wear light breathable cloth like mask, keep your home cool with fans and shades, watch out for children and elders, they need extra care. The little presentation can make a huge and big difference. But it's not about surviving, it's about prevention. Shift to renewable energy like solar and wind. Plant trees, create green urban spaces, reduce your carbon footprints, every bit counts, push for government policies and awareness campaigns. We cannot ignore the problem and hope it goes away. Action is the only solution. Every small action matters. Plant a tree, reduce energy use, support climate policies, but also share this knowledge. Awareness can save lives. Stay cool, stay informed, and stay responsible. Together we can turn the heat down on our planet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.